Berm
Park. Park Tool is at Berm Park with Seth.
And you guys were kind enough to bring some THS1 trailhead repair stations. So if you shake something loose during a lap here at Berm Park, you're gonna be able to repair it and not have to carry around a bunch of tools with you. And actually, Park Tool was kind enough to sponsor the kiddie trail behind me. There's gonna be kids learning to ride their bikes on it, and hope to see you here.
This is going to cover up all the wires, cables for the tools, but before that, what order do they go in? We have decisions and choices to make.
all these to pick from. So you gotta think, what are people gonna be using a cross-tip screwdriver for? Probably to adjust their rear derailleur, so it should probably go all the way towards the back. Does that make sense? What do you think?
Sure it does. I think it's good because we're gonna hang the bike up, pick the bike up. We are hoping that they're gonna be working like this. That's to the back.
All right, next one. Flat.
Flat, not used as much. Let's go all the way to the front.
To the front. I think that's a good idea. Special Berm Park edition with a tape measure and headset and pedal wrench.
That's right.
So headset front, pedals middle, tape measure versatile.
I'm saying the inner one, here or here?
What do you think, Seth?
The inner one on the right.
And then why the tape measure? What are we saying?
We gotta set up your bike.
You are, your numbers are fun.
Numbers are fun. Next, like one of the most important, most versatile tools we have on here. Probably gonna be the most used tool out of all of these tools.
Sometimes pedal swaps.
Definitely. Those are going to be the ones that get used the most, but probably the most.
Pow.
Well, think about it. What's going to happen at a bike park?
Stem, like some stem comes loose, your handlebars rotate.
Move. So I'd say if it was anywhere else, Greenway or something like that,
That's
I would
right.
say put it at the back, but here I would say put it at the front.
That's right.
All right, here's we have 2 tire levers and a magnifying glass.
That's an easy one. You put one tire lever at the back, one tire lever at the front, and the one with the magnifying glass, I guess it doesn't really matter. They're gonna be looking at bugs and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what we're hoping.
These have to go next to each other. Front derailleur on like turning 9, 8, 10. Going all the way back,
Yeah,
right?
that's the only place you would use those.
Torques, rotors, maybe?
And short leverage. Fun.
That's gonna be awesome. All right, we got one spot, so it goes
There
here.
it goes.
All right, how does the cover go on?
Seth, what do we got? What do we want these kids to do?
We want them to play with the bike tools.
Please.
There's quite a few repair stations here you can use to repair your bike. This one was set purposely a little bit lower. This can't hang a mountain bike, it's too low. You put the seat in here. This one's nice and low, and so it's to play with. It's for little kids to get introduced to bike tools. Maybe they'll poke their eyes out with them, but it says right over here with adult supervision. And so hopefully that's not gonna happen.
Perfect.
We're gonna be bolting this down.
We get to pull the plastic off.
Oh
right?
yeah, I was about to say.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Look at how deep blue that is.
The thing looks awesome on that thing. It's
It
perfect.
really does.